In this video, we'll be covering enabling and disabling access to your system reporting pages and analytics in Shape software. Start by clicking on Settings and then Users and Permissions to find the Report Access Permissions settings page. Utilize the checkboxes on this page to determine what user roles, user, manager, director, admin, and portal user, have access to the pre-built reports in your system, including outgoing email performance, record conversion report, the texting log, and many more. Any user role with the box unchecked will not be able to access these reporting pages. Once you have finished configuring your access permissions, click Submit at the top of the page. If you have any further questions regarding report access permissions in Shape, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.